Hello, dear listeners. You're listening to Noise of the Town. So, today's poem that I'm going to recite is written by Mary Howitt, and the poem is a fable. Now, you'll think, what's a fable? So, in the fable, the main characters are animals, and the poem or story leaves a moral for the readers or the listeners. And moral for this story is that people should not allow themselves to be manipulated by others who prey on their vanity. Vanity means people who are too proud of their abilities and beauty. Title of the poem is The Spider and the Fly. "Will you walk into my parlor?" said the spider to a fly. "'Tis the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The little way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many pretty things to show you when you get there." "Oh, no, no, no," said the little fly. "To ask me is in vain, for who goes up that winding stair will never come down again. I am sure you must be very dear with soaring up so high. Will you rest upon my little bed?" said the spider to the fly. "There are pretty curtains drawn around. The sheets are fine and thin, and if you like to rest a while, I'll snugly tuck you in." "Oh, no, no, no," said the little fly, "for I have often heard it said, they never, never wake again who sleep upon your bed." Said the cunning spider to the fly, "Dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection I have always felt for you? I have within my pantry good store of all that's nice. I'm sure you are very welcome. Will you please to take a slice?" "Oh, no, no, no," said the little fly. "Kind sir, that cannot be. I have heard what's in your pantry, and I do not wish to see." "Sweet creature," said the spider, "you are witty and you are wise. How handsome are your gaudy wings, how brilliant are your eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf. Will you step up? One moment, dear, you shall behold yourself." "Oh, thank you, gentle sir," she said, "for what you are pleased to say. And wishing you good morning now, I'll call another day." The spider turning him around about and went into his den, for well he knew the silly fly would soon come again. Oh, he wove a subtle web in a little corner sly, and set his table ready to dine upon the fly. Then he came out to his door again, and merrily did sing, "Come hither, hither, pretty fly, with the pearl and silver wings. Your robes are green and purple, that's a crust upon your head. Your eyes are like the diamond's bright, but mine are dull as lead. Alas, alas, how very soon this silly little fly, hearing his willy flattering words, came slowly fluttering by. With buzzing wings she hung aloof, then nearer and nearer drew, thinking only of her brilliant eyes and green and purple hue, thinking only of her crested head. Poor foolish thing, at last upon jumped the cruel spider and firmly held her fast. He dragged her up his winding stare, and in his dismal den, within his little parlor, but she never came back again. तो हमें यही शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें दूसरों की फ्लैटरी बातों में नहीं आना चाहिए और अपना दिमाग लगाना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें पता होता है क्या सही है और क्या गलत। तो आज के लिए बाय। कीप listening to my poems. Like, share and subscribe my channel.